Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to discuss about selection. So, what do you mean by selection? There are different kinds of or different explanations for selection. So, in the easiest manner, people says that it is finding out the right person for the right job. That is the easiest way of explaining the process of selection. So that here we are eliminating the people those who are not qualified for the particular job. So in other words, we can explain selection like it is a process that enables the company, organization or enterprise to pick up the candidates with the required qualifications, with the specific qualifications according to the job specification. In the job specification, what are the qualifications mentioned? Those required qualifications, if somebody is having, those person can be picked up. And training the employees. So after selecting them, in order to create or in order to instill or in order to upskilling them, proper training can be given, and rejecting the undesirables. So whoever are not eligible for the job, those people can be rejected through the selection process. So that is what meant by selection. And these are the steps in the selection process. Job analysis is there. Job analysis is finding out is there a gap in the organization, or there are enough number of manpower or adequate number of manpower is there in the organization. So job analysis will give the byproducts like job description and job specifications. Then based on this job analysis, if there is a gap or if there are not enough number of people in the organization to carry out the responsibilities, then recruitment should happen. They should conduct the recruitment. So we have seen in the previous video what is recruitment or what are the steps in the recruitment process. And through this recruitment, the organization would have received so many applications from the prospective applicants. So those applications has to be screened properly from the desk itself. And the candidates, those who have selected in the application screening, they should undergo interviews. There are different types of interviews like one-on-one interview is there, panel interview is there, video interview is there, stress interview is there, and those whoever has selected at the final stage, they will be undergoing the HR interview also. The different types of assessments, it can be along with these interviews, some organizations will conduct some kind of assessments, and it can be psychological assessments, or it can be situational judgment test, or it can be case studies. And then later, if the candidates has passed through all these assessments and interviews, the reference check will be conducted. So this reference check will be conducted with the previous employer in order to verify the background and the qualifications for whatever information that they have furnished in the resume is correct or not. And the final stage, job will be offered to the candidate by the company if candidate is perfectly fine for the organization.